thought we'd do an energy conversion problem. So how many calories are obtained from a pat of butter if it provides 150 joules of energy when metabolized? So you're starting with joules of energy, and you'd like to know how many calories. So this is what you're trying to accomplish. The energy from the butter is in joules, but we want to know how many calories. So we need to have a relationship, to know the relationship between calories and joules. This comes from your reading. On an exam, I would give you this information, that 1 calorie is equal to 4.184 joules. From this equality, we can write our two conversion statements. We can put the 4.184 joules on top and the calories on the bottom, or we can put the calories on top and the joules on the bottom. So now we have our equality and we've got our conversion statements. We're ready to start the problem. We're going to start with the number that's in the problem. We start with 150 joules. Put 150 joules on a line, and then we look for the conversion statement that will allow us to cancel joules and leave us with calories. And it's this one. If I put this one here, joules is on top and joules is on bottom, so it cancels. When I put this in my calculator, I'm going to calculate 150 times 1, and then I'm going to divide by 4.184. And that's going to give me my answer of 36 calories.